We're diving into expert home design tips specifically for small living spaces.
Whether you're in an apartment or a cozy house, these tips will help you make the most of every square inch. Let's get started with our first tip, using neutral wall colors.
Neutral colors like whites, beige, and light grays can make a space feel larger and more open.
These colors reflect light well, giving the illusion of more space. Plus, they provide a perfect backdrop for any decor style, making your room versatile and easy to update. Next up, mirrors. Mirrors are a fantastic way to add depth and dimension to a small space. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light, or use a mirrored wall to double the perception of your room size.
Tip number 3. Using sliding doors. Sliding doors are a space saver's best friend. Unlike traditional doors that require space to swing open, sliding doors move along a track, making them perfect for tight spaces. They can also add a modern, sleek look to your home.
Now, let's talk about adding extra island hang for chairs.
If you have a kitchen island, use it as a multifunctional space. Add hanging chairs or stools that can be tucked away when not in use.
This creates a dining area without taking up extra floor space.
Finally, consider a round dining table. Round tables are ideal for small spaces because they offer more seating in a compact area and facilitate better flow around the room.
Plus, they encourage conversation, making meals more intimate and enjoyable. And there you have it. 5 expert tips to enhance your small living space. Neutral wall colors, mirrors, sliding doors, extra island hang for chairs, and round dining tables.
These simple changes can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips.